Now today let's start with chapter number 18, that is discovery, farming and the wheel. Right, so how the discovery of farming has been done and the wheel. So farming, it is quite difficult to tell how the early men learned to grow crop. Early men used to eat fruits and throw away their seeds. And they noticed that new plants grew where the seeds fell, and they started collecting seeds and throwing them on the clean piece of land. So when new plants grow from the seeds, they realize that this way they could grow crop. And there was the beginning of farming. Farming brought a great change in their lives, so now they decide to settle down in one place to look after the plants. They live together and they make the huts near the field and they begin to build houses later. And this led to making of first village, and they started helping one another. And they started developing themselves into community. Right? Now they did not have to move in search of food, so they learned how to tame animals, and they tamed dogs, cows, sheep and goat. Right? And they got milk from cows and goat, and they use their skin to cover their bodies. They need some pots to contain their food, so they get engaged in making pots, container or basket out of clay. They also use them to store food. उन्होंने इसका use करा खाने को store करने. Next is invention of wheel. Another important landmark in the life of early men was invention of wheel. पहले क्या होता था, कोई व्हीकल नहीं था, तो इट वॉज वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू वॉक टू फार ऑफ प्लेसेस. अर्ली मैन क्या करते थे, अपने बैग पे लोड कैरी कर चले जाते. राइट, इट इज बिलीव दैट समवन मस्ट हैव नोटिस अ लॉग ऑफ वुड फ्लोटिंग इन द रिवर्स. द नंबर ऑफ लॉग्स वर हेल्ड टुगेदर. उनको हमने एक साथ जोड़ा और क्या बनाया, आपका राफ्ट बनाया. एंड दिस हेल्प अर्ली ह्यूमन टू ट्रैवल एंड कैरिंग हैवी लोड्स एंड ट्रैवलिंग ऑन लैंड was still a big problem. So one day they might have noticed a round object rolls over the ground easily. So this must have given him the idea of putting round logs under a sledge. और उन्होंने क्या बनाई, रेल कार्ट बनाई. So the wheel was invented because of it. Land travel become easier. So land travel हो गया, वो बहुत easy बन गया और faster भी बन. The invention of the wheel brought a revolutionary change. इससे क्या हुआ, एक revolutionary change आया human की life में. Now they can move to different places very easy. You must have now the wheel in modern times. You have seen wheels on vehicles. Machines हो गए, clocks हो गए, door knobs, trolleys, food processor, swings, pulley, axle. These are the wheels of modern time. It is believed that wheels was first used as a potter wheel. सबसे पहले हमने इसको किसके तरह यूज करा था, एज अ क्वार्टर व्हील एंड नॉट अ व्हीकल. हमने व्हीकल की तरह यूज नहीं करा, हमने किसकी तरह यूज करा था, एज अ क्वार्टर. Right, now we have completed this chapter. Now let's move to exercise. First is tick the correct option. The early men had to move from one place to another in search of food. The early man made their houses near their caves. Early man ate dash of plants, roots. Early man ate dash roots and fruits. All of. Now fill in the blanks. The invention of the axe made traveling easy. Invention of wheel. The early men had to move from one place to another in search of food. Dash brought a great choice in the lives of early women. किसको कौन लेके आया, farming. A number of logs were held together to make a wheel? Make a raft. Right, T for true and F for false statement. The early men lived in houses. False. The early man ate whatever was available. It's true. Early man stayed in one place for two. False. वो क्या करते थे, एक place से दूसरी place move कर. Farming brought great change in early man's life. It's true. Now answer the following question. How were stone tool helpful for early men? जो stone tool थे वो कैसे helpful को, ठीक है, वो आपको animal को kill करने के लिए help करते हैं. Why did early men need pots and how are the wheel discovered? ठीक है, मैंने आपको बताया था, देखा कि log of wood roll करते हुए आ रहा था, उनसे उन्होंने क्या करा, log of wood को sledge से join करा. Is the wheel still useful to melt? If yes, and how? Right? This is all about in this chapter. Hope you understood. Let's meet in the next class. Thank you.